Hi everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing for August 2022. It's of course Ipsy Bag. I don't remember anything. I don't remember what I picked. Nothing. So just to remind everybody, I'm visually impaired, so I use various implements such as my reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. Oh my goodness. Okay, so feels like there's stuff outside the bag. Alright, so remember, Ipsy. Okay, so this looks familiar. The feel of the bag is different, but the look of it, we had a bag a long time ago. Now, it could be just that, you know, this type of leaf is very synonymous with summer and whatnot, but I remember a very long time ago, years in fact, this leaf being on one of the bags. Alright, what we got here outside the bag? We have a brush. Oh, one side's not clear. Is this a liner brush? Do you want to come out of there? No? Oh, you don't want to come out? There we go. Alright, we got a better zoom. This is a liner brush. Where it's from? I don't know, maybe Complex Culture or something. Do you see any wording? Oh, there's some letters. Oh my goodness. Well, that looks like just the type of brush it is. Doesn't actually tell us. Oh, here we go. Estate. Okay. The feel of the bag is very slick feeling, almost like silk, which is whoa. No, we definitely didn't have this before. We got our Ipsy logoing on there, I'm sure. But that is a big zipper pull. The great thing about these is, like, if you decide that you don't want the bags or whatever, or if someone else doesn't want them, you could actually take these off and make things out of them. I mean, it does say Ipsy on it, but who's gonna notice? It's a big zipper pull. Okay. Pink on the inside. We got our info card. Something weird in there. Save the date. Nope, that's not the theme. This one here. No. Hotel Paradise? It's kind of unusual to see pink with green, isn't it? Or is it just me? Well, no, there's that mascara I keep talking about that everybody loves. A little QR code there for something. I won't look in that yet because that is our spoilers. Alright, so we got some bubble wrap here on something very shiny. Bloop. Go over there. Alright, what do we got here? I'm going to have to give it a zoom. Okay, it's very shiny. It's from Ciate, London. U2 Glow 2 highlighter. Glow 2. Packaging is very shiny. I know I keep saying that, but I'm tired and I hyper focus on something. It wouldn't even come out of the package. Like, not just the package wouldn't open, but it wouldn't come out of the package. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay. How shiny are we? Well, did anything come off of my finger? I don't think it had a design on it. I guess it's a subtle shine. I don't know. It kind of disappears off my finger too. I don't know. I'm thinking that might be a brush thing. It might be like something. Oh, there we go. Okay, I just couldn't see it. There we go. Okay, put you up there. Next item. Alright, what do we got here? I'm thinking a mascara. Why do I think a mascara? Because they usually come in tubes like this. Let's see here. I'm going to have to zoom a little bit more to read that. Okay. Oh, we've gotten this one before. Oh, upside down. Jasmine Beauty. No, we haven't. I just saw Wave Lash, and I remembered another product that said that. But, dear makeup companies, start making these easier to open up. Oh, still some on it. Sorry. Okay, what kind of brush? I'm gonna assume this is black because it usually is. Oh. Alright. That's an interesting brush. Next. We got a tube. Tube of something. Alright. Origins, checks and balances. Oh, it's a face wash. I don't know why that came out like that. Fruity face wash. Okay. Okay. I failed. Don't get it in your eyeballs, kids. That would be bad. Alright. It's a nice, like, little container. You can get, like, a couple out of there, depending on how much you're supposed to use. And the last item in the bag is another box. Ooh, shiny. Oh, Cokie. For the longest time. No, it's not Cokie, it's Nomad. Cokie's the one with the elephant, I think. For a long time, I thought it was the bear because I was getting the two of them mixed up because the symbol is small. This is Nomad Beauty. We've got a lot of eyeshadows. America's Paris. We've got a lot of eyeshadows from them. Wow. I can't see that at all, but that's okay. Oh, it's another eyeshadow, but this time it's a duo. Let's see. Can I get this open on camera? It doesn't open that way. Why won't you open that way? Nope. Okay. You do not want to know why I did that box. Okay, so it's the same size as when they used to give us eyeshadows before, so I'd love to see what duo's in here. Oh. Okay, if you're not believing me on the size, hold on. But at the same time, there you go. Now, let me see this a little closer. Looks like a matte brown and maybe a golden shimmery shade. I'm gonna swatch the first one, and it's probably gonna be a really nice brown. Put it over here so I don't put it on the shimmer shade. Okay. I mean on the highlighter. That one. Oh, that's pretty. I think they'd be could be a good look. Like an evening look maybe because the brown's so dark. If you watched my last two videos, we had gotten large palettes to supplement the new price that they hiked up Ipsy to. This month, not so much. Alright. Oh, we have to go much further. Much further. Alright. Our first one is Ciate London Glow to Highlighter in Moon Dust. Full size would be $29. So this is not. This is what they're calling a deluxe sample. It's not. Then we got Origins, Checks and Balances, Frothy Face Wash. Oh, it's not free, it's frothy. Okay, that one is a deluxe size sample, I can tell you that. And the full price is $30. Nomad Cosmetics Shadow Duo in Half Dome and Delicate Arch. Half Dome. I think it's the name of one of the rock faces out in California. I'm not 100% sure. At Yosemite. Full size of probably a pallet. $39, because I couldn't see. They're calling this also like sample. Lies. Estate Cosmetics. EEL03. Oh, there was. Oh, it's eel, not gel. Eyeliner brush. Oh, for eyeliner brush. It is a $10 brush. Yeah, okay. Then we got Jasmine Beauty Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. This is a deluxe, which, yeah, $24. Not bad for mascara, honestly. So, yeah. What do you think about this month's spread? I mean, if you're just looking for, like, an easy night look or, you know, even an easy breezy day look, honestly, these products would help. Wash your face, you put on your makeup. I don't know what you would use a liner for, because, you know, but that was the only option this month. But if you're getting Ipsy and you've got Ipsy a lot, you have a lot of brushes like I do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.